Hey guys, and today we're playing Revenge of the Slimes. But you're not really playing it. Just place them everywhere. Whoop, 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 whoop. Just go like this. Okay. Go halfway and one built. Dirt blaster. There we go. Ow, I'm stuck. Did I just break my house? Yeah, I just broke my house. And if I need to run away, I can just parkour. This is my high watchtower. Okay, get ready to shoot. Here they come. Slimes are coming. Ready? Where's the thunder? Pew, pew. Yes. Ah! Oh my gosh, levitating slimes. Ow. I don't think I could have gotten past that. Ow! I lost my hat. Fire. Ouch. There's even more. Ow. No. Oh. Keep on failing. Ugh. Ah, aliens. No. I'd rather fall.
What happens one more left to get in the game and then I beat the game? You doing what?
I know, Jackson.
What?
You're supposed to knock on the door to get it. I figured it out. It's where the door falls on him. Just the statues left. Where are they left? The statues are the only thing left. Oh! This. Did we win? I think we won. Yeah, we won. Because Bridge is here. Make a bunch of spike walls. Then I'm gonna make a base. Okay, I'm gonna make a giant spike wall that I can shoot over, so then the slimes will get hurt while they try to get past. There we go. There we go. I'm building quite a lot. There you go.
Yeah.
You messed with Bear.
We'll do that one again.
Still, they have to get past this.
I mean, they only get this one. Look,
Ugh. Did you find that one today?
ah, where's all my money?
Oh. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The slimes are coming. Okay, get my bow and arrow, and
Let me go outside.
oh, I just wasted something I thought. Okay, you can go outside.
What?
You can go outside.
What will you go outside?
Later. Oh no, no, no. Come on. Protect me. Don't die. Go. Explode them. Burn him. He should die. There we go. I'm getting money. Hey, no, he's eating up my things. Ow! Train! I like trains. Now I don't. This is hard. Hey, Pink. How are you still on? No, you're not. You're just going to the water. Ah! I should have ran. UFO. Hey, aliens. Take me. Please. Aliens, take me. Ow! Did he just drop a giant slime on me? Is that what he does? Bad. Boom. Oh! This train's falling from the sky. I just wasted a fire bow and arrow. Oh, man. Wait, ew, what? Oh, that's my friend. Hello. See, he's my friend. Spider feet, no. spider freeze. Nobody survived. We have to build now. Okay. Ah!
Alright, here you go. You're free. Now what about my legs? Run! He's coming!
You just build way up. Oh.
He's coming. What does this TV have to do with this?
No. No! Why is it so hard to just get... Oh my. There's a ladder this whole entire time. Did I make it even close? No, not really.
I got this. Guys, here's the plan.
Now let's go see how many blocks it would take for it to get taller than me. Oh, I see it. So if I do need to escape, then I could just go right there. Put the hut right here. Go. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Getting ready. So I'm gonna go check if I could buy that. Need more coins. Okay. I'm gonna try to get it right now. Enough coins. Might take a little while, but it's fine. Because it's mine. Ziggy's feet is mine. Wow! The Rardy's toys are mine. I don't even know where I'm shooting. Oh, there's one. That means the rest are coming. Oh, yep. Yes. That was mine. I'm getting so much money. Nope, need way more coins. Mine. Ziggy's feet are mine. The bird's tweets are mine. What's that for, buddy? No! Oh, come on. I gotta get up before this ladder falls, because I know it is going to. Let's go. Watch out before they come. Because they're gonna come and destroy... Oh, yep. I made pretty good timing. Ah! Ah! No! I tried to make a safe landing. Need way more coins. Again. Okay, almost done. So close. Nope, they're done. The last slime. Yes, we did it. But can I buy anything? No. I was close to surviving. Wait. No, I still need more. Why do I need so much? Oop, preparing map. What I'm gonna do is, where's a good, battle area? Here's a good one. Right here. Oh, ladder. Ooh. Reach the top. It seems like I'm not even placing anything now. Okay. Making slow progress. Is that as high as I can place? Oh, am I even making any progress? I'll just shoot from here. Can I make it from here? Yes! That was a close one. I'm just gonna build some more. Okay, that was pretty risky. Okay. The slimes are coming. Ooh, that almost got me dead. But where are they? As soon as I see them, I'm gonna get ready. Fire. Bomb the thing. Yeah, they're here. They're here. I see them. No, I don't. Now I do. Kill that. Kill them. Kill them. Now, do I have enough? No. I should just stop. Ooh. Come on. Turn it on fire. Kill them. Wait, how am I on? I'm not. So close. Still can't do it. Oh no, here they come. Here they come to surround me. There's gonna be no way. I need that bomb power up. Or maybe the thunder one. That would be even better. No, that was close. No, come on, come on, come on. Please don't just roll off and then it'll be the end. No! Did I get enough? Yes! Oh! Minus 75. Oh. I was just wondering what it does. Attack is over. Time to build. First, I have to know nobody survived. Yep. Oh, the same spot. So I'm definitely not going up there. Oh. Seems nice. Nicer. Oh. No, no, no. Just don't climb on the side like you are. Knew he wasn't going to make it. Ooh. He's going to get to the front. Oh my gosh. This is how I do it. He's staying back there. He's going to be cool. Like I am. See? Okay. Trying to be... No, no, don't! Trying to do This is my area. This is my new area. Everybody's trying to be mean to me. Can't shoot though. Chucky. Ow. Better like this. How do you like it? How do I like it? Nope. He's stuck. Okay. 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, slimes are coming. I'm just wondering where the slimes are. Speaking of slimes, I'm about to see them. And there they are. This time I'm going to use my new thing. Only whenever there's like a big group. Soon there will be. Right there. That was a good time to use that. Boom. There we go. I haven't done anything. I'm not getting many coins at all. I keep on going. Not more than I normally would. Oh, come on. Don't let any more break our base. I'm not going to let this happen. Took down that one. Take down that one now. Took that one down. Okay, and so close. Take them all down, like Point Terror would. Oh, 100 coins. Okay, that's to work hard for that. No, 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 no! Watch out, watch out! Oh, it's all about survival. Oh no, it is all about survival. I can't last any longer here. No! No, that guy right there just took me. One took the arm, none took the leg yet. I just didn't want this place to get destroyed. I liked it. But now I don't. It's actually going okay. Oh my. He ran right into him. Okay, that was awesome. Wait, there's still some more. Just my burning power on him. There we go. That's it. Slime attack is over. That's a lot of coins I just got. The first star I wasn't getting much coins, but it's like always at the end I get all the coins. So we're here this time. This seems more liking. Map, and we're gonna climb up here because I want to try to do that escape one more time. Yeah, because last time I was right there and I didn't have a very good chance because I was right in the middle of the slimes. But now I think I might have a pretty good chance. But I don't think I really want to build, so I'm just gonna pause the video. And this is a good enough time to just dance. This is my slime dance. Now I have 0 minutes, 0 seconds, 0 everything to build. Now it's time that we shall fight. We're just destroying them as they come. Look at us doing good. Use that next. There we go. 1 coin. Okay. So close. Ooh. Oh man, that fire bow and arrow was a miss. No! My base. My feelings. My dignity. Ugh. No! I'm getting eaten by a bunch of slimes. Take this, you bunch of slimes. Fat bunch of slimes. Boom! You deserve that. No, they're eating. Sorry. Coming. Come on, make him brown. There we go. Let's go destroy the last one. Nope, they're already defeated. Wait, me. Let me do this one. Did I do that one? Or is he even dead yet? Yep, he's dead and I didn't do it. Slime attack is over. It's crazy that I survived. Like, that was super close. They were eating up my tower. Is this the same one? I hope it is. No, it's not. Well, it's a king place. Hey, this is a pretty good place for archery. I think I've already found my spot. We don't even need to build. Oh, okay. Maybe we do. Maybe building is a little bit more important than I thought it was. I'll just build some spike walls. Like, oh my... Come on. Let's go. Climb out. Whoop. But how are we going to get in? Doesn't really matter now. Just place parts everywhere. This is nice. I'm doing the same thing as him. And him. And everybody else is doing this. Probably. Yeah, guess what? Actually, I taught that to everyone. Like, I started doing it first, and then whenever I joined a different server, I saw everybody else doing it. I joined the same server, and then everybody just started placing random blocks everywhere. Oh, I've used all of mine. I think I did like a decent amount. I think I did at least this much. I've done quite a lot. I've got this. Oh, yes I do actually. This is way easier than I thought to get in. Just go over here. You thought I was gone. You probably were happy whenever you thought that. Well, your happy thoughts are now gone. Because I'm here. Ugh. Let's get up here. And I'm ready to fight. We're probably going to win. Ow. No, we're not going to win without me. Actually, I don't think we are going to win without me. Not trying to brag. But I don't think they could do it without me. But they probably could if they had another person. But I'd say I'm okay. I'm not a professional at this game. I'm just okay. And I haven't even played it much either. I could play this for a couple hours. Comment down below if you want me to make a live stream of this. Because I will. I will. It's weird because I can't pause on a live stream. And I always pause. Pew. Close that group. Shoot that group. Thunder that group. Burn that group. Explode that group. I just used all my power-ups. That actually was kind of worth it. And did I just throw all those trains down? Probably. Oh, those are some lime slimes. But they're gonna turn dark. Dark and evil slimes. Can I buy it? Need more coins still. Come on. I think I should be able to buy that. We all should have at least a little bit of coins by now. Oh no, they're breaking in! Wait, those are poison slimes. No, no, no. It's not good. We don't want it to hurt our king. Which he already got eaten, so there's no real point. But still, we can still do it. We're gonna protect our dead king from dead stuff. Like these slimes. Oh, I just burned slimes, I think. Oh my, they're breaking in! No! They're breaking in. No breaking in allowed! And I just wasted that arrow. I did something, but the slime's getting eaten. Everybody else is... Oh my, that person just ran close to that slime. That was pretty close. Okay, so close for the lightning bolt. And lightning bolt is ready. Let's go like that, and I killed a couple. Ready yet? Need more coins. It's fine. I'm not gonna freak out this time. I don't even know why I freaked out the last time. Oh. I guess it is fine that I just stay here. Oh, no, it's not. No, it's not fine. It is so snot fine. That was snot fine. It was as fine as snot. Almost everybody survived, but it's all my fault. What in the world? I knew I should have gone up there. But I just stand like a goon. Last time, this area up here gave me pretty good luck, so. Because this is where I bought that ice one. And it was pretty useful up here, at least. There we go. And this is also the place that me and my friend Colton fought. Oh, Fighter Freeze. Fighter Freeze. What's Fighter Freeze? Spider Freeze. So, build. Come on, where are we building up? We're not rebuilding up. I should just stop. Shouldn't I? It's time to stop. It's time to stop. It's time to stop. It's time. Stop. Time to stop. Stop. Time to stop. It's 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 time to stop. Why am I whispering? I don't know. Creepy gnome. Oh my. Are you okay, sir? Oh. Oh. I don't think he can get back up. That's good. Anyways, I'll just stick to what I'm good to. I think he's gonna get revenge or something. Oh my itch. That's the reason that thing was there. One and ready. That's your turf hit. I get the cool guy one. You don't. He doesn't even hear what I'm saying. That's the bad part. But now it's time to fight. Yeah, I feel so good. Oh yeah, I feel so good. My bow and arrow out. So boom, and nope, just normal because first this tiny little baby row slimes are coming, and then they're gonna fist. This is a good time to use this. Direct tap. Direct freeze. No, I didn't freeze it. Direct shock. I'm just getting a bunch of kills. Direct everything. Burning them. Burn. Get wrecked. Get wrecked, slimes. Oh, I'm going to go check how much money I've gotten. Still not enough? Wow, this thing costs too much. I've gotten at least 50. And guys, tell me how I can see my coins in the comments, because I don't know. I just don't know how. Arrows. Get that arrow? Oh. I wasted a bunch of coins and I didn't want to. At least it's a stronger arrow. I hope. At least I hope it's a stronger arrow. If it's not, then I'm getting my money back. Oh my. That's how I look when I'm destroyed. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ready to aim. Oh, this has been long. Pure, but I really need to do this. And this. No, what am I doing? Don't do that, and don't do that other thing that I just did. I don't even know where I did. Fist, come on. Fist, fast! Yes, I killed that guy. Slime attack is over. Guys, we're probably gonna end it in 3, 2, 1. Bye guys, thank you guys for watching.